As I walk through the plant today, I certainly am amazed at how far the company has come from being the two-man company that it was to what it is today.
When I talk about our company, I typically talk about the people. As we celebrate 50 years in business, we are deeply grateful to our customers, employees, suppliers, and community who have made this milestone possible. Your trust, support, and partnership have been the foundation of our success, and we look forward to many more years of working together. Thank you.